What's going on, folks? Today we're gonna pick a lock by West Coast Picks. It's actually one he had sent me. I ended up putting it in my collection. I like the lock itself. It's one of the bigger Avises. Here's the bidding, and it does work. And we're going to try to open this one up today. I've completely run out of challenge locks that I've had sent to me. That's why I've got no videos up right now. I've had a couple of other things going on. Let's see. I don't want that tension wrench, I want a different one. Normally I got my tools out and halfway ready to go, but I don't today. They're still in my kit. Alright, so let's see what kind of damage we can do to this thing today. Alright, let's zoom y'all in a bit and see what we can do. Let's see. Number 5 is giving me a little something. Oh, yeah, that's a good click out of 5, I hope. I got a little something out of 1. Got a little something out of 3. And let's go back to the front and see what we can get. Nah, I'm not feeling anything out of that. Got no love for me today. Let's see. Let's just bring this over to me. Alright, let's try this again. This time we're going out after an offset diamond in the Praxis 15 thousandths, and got no focus. You'll have to believe me, it's 15 thousandths. I'm also recovering from a cold too, so got lots of fun. So let's see. Got a little something out of 5. Yeah, I got the 3D printer going on in the background. Not sure how loud that is on the camera, but it's actually fairly quiet compared to what it was a long time ago. Let's see. Not getting a whole lot of anything out of this lock. Not showing me any love today. Alright. Let's change it up. Alright. Got a little something out of 1. Got a click out of 6, I believe. Got something out of 3. No, that was 2. Alright, now 3 wants to be picked. Let's reset that. Click out of 5, 4, 1, 3, 4, 5, nothing out of 6, 2, that felt like an overset, 3, 6 feels set. Nope. I'm getting nothing from this thing. Hitting what sounds like some good clicks. There we go, a little turn. Counter and click on 3. That feels set. Number 6 fell down. Oh, I thought I had it open there for a second. Oh, don't want to lose that. Get back in there. Oh, got some counter on number 6. And click. It's gotta be a T-pin. And there it is. It only took about 10 minutes. Minus setup and everything like that. Let's not take that out of frame. You can see it is picked. And let's get this out the way. I've made quite a mess. Alright. And we'll use my white tray. I'm down to my last couple of trays I've got. Oh no, I'll use my black tray. Just printed this one off. So we'll give it a test drive, see how it does. There's what I'm looking for. Well, the area's been out of sorts, so you'll have to forgive me if I lose a couple of things here and there. Oh, there's that little spring. And I've got no idea what's in the top of here. I know there was something T-pin-ish. So we're gonna shim it. Might almost be time for a new shim. If I knew where mine were. Alright, that one is shot. Grab another one of my broken shims. Folks, I don't want to botch this gutting, so here we are. This one's going to be a little bit longer than normal. I'm spending more time fighting this shim than I did picking the lock. Well, we're going one. Oh, we're gonna try to ride that one out. That one we'll call just dumb luck. Should not have worked, but it did. All the key pins are in and working. Here we are. All of them are in and working. Standard in one. Same in two. Standard in three. I think all these are going to be standards in the bottom. Standard in 4, standard in 5, and standard in 6. Tweezers. And number 1 is mushroom spool. with a copper spring. Number 2 is another mushroom spool with a steel spring. Number 3 is a shallow spool with a different copper string. Must have something sticky on my tweezers. Everything's sticking to them. Number 6 is a very deep and sharp spool with a copper spring. And then we've got almost like an anti-bump, or one really light serration. And a steel spring. And last and not least, there's the T-pin. Repurposed key pin as a T-pin. And a copper spring. And let's see, flashlight. Nothing done up top. And nothing done in the core. See if I can get you guys a show of the pins. There we are. There's the springs. Hope that's coming out for y'all. Oh, have a good one, folks. Also, by the way, I'm working on getting some trades out to some people too. If you want to get your name on the list to do some trading, hit me up. Email's going to be in the description. Have a good one, folks.